It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shavon.
And if you smell what Javon is cooking, yeah.
No. He ain't cooking that because we ain't got no kitchen in here.
Alright guys, it's your boy Javon. This guy's spending my time, man. Bye. Bye. You're on video.
This is our video.
Bye. Alright, you guys back.
Okay, go.
So, alright, go ahead, take over.
No, you take over.
Go ahead. Go, you want to be something? Go ahead.
Cause this is Javon and Shavon channel, not Javon channel.
It's Javon channel right now.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's
Javon.
not.
I'm in charge right now.
Do your intro.
I just did my intro. You want to be something? I have to take over.
What?
Alright guys, this guy see by the thumbnail on the title. It is day 2, 1.5, day 2 of our little trip, mini vacation. I don't know if you guys can hear something. I don't know why I got a mask on, but I do want to head out. But I don't know if you guys can hear me. I hope you guys can hear me. But yeah, day 2. I don't know what we got planned right now. Well, we got a couple stuff in plan, but
Wait till your TikTok because you're yelling at them.
I'm yelling.
Yeah.
So they didn't say I'm yelling.
Yes, they did. They put
Well,
that. They put it in the comment section. I already
Show
seen
me.
it.
Show me.
Okay, I'll show you.
Show me.
I'll show you.
Show me.
I'll show you.
Craft that bomb.
Babe, come on, it's hot in here now.
It's hot?
Yeah.
I didn't say you put all that.
Come on, cause we finna go.
Why you rushing me now for? Why you rushing me for? Get out my video. Well, yeah, as I got spent time in Thailand, man. I wish you would.
Jesus Christ.
Alright. Damn. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. But yeah, we don't know what we're gonna do today. I don't know what we're doing today, guys. We got like what 5 couple stuff in plan, but guys, it is cold. It is cold. I'm talking about in the 30s, cold. And we wanted to go to the pool. We want to take pictures and videos and stuff like that, but it is cold. I don't know if we're gonna be able to go in there. The highest gonna go to is 55. Maybe we can try. I don't know. Maybe.
I don't know.
But it's still gonna be cold. But we don't want to get sick. So I don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna, go along with the day. Day 2. Happy New Year again. We just gotta like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, we're just gonna see what the day goes. Join with us.
Yep, basically that.
Yeah, rush me. I know you don't want to say nothing.
I'm rushing you so we can go get some something.
What?
Alright, before we go, let me show you guys the view again. Get out of my way, ugly girl.
Well, I ain't gonna wear my shoes. Hurry up. I'm gonna make it one of these series.
Don't make you something. I don't give a damn what you want to do.
Add water to skin.
Let me show you guys the view again, man. Let me hold this camera right. Show you guys the view again. It's daytime, so you guys can see a little better. Yeah, you guys see all the pools and stuff right there, man. Yeah, but man, Houston don't normally get, Texas don't normally get this cold. Really probably do, but from the beginning of the week, it's been in the 60s and 70s, and the one time we took a little mini vacation and stuff, it wanna get cold. Stupid cold. It's really, really cold. But yeah, we're gonna make use of it, What you over there doing? Yes, sir, as you guys see, we are currently outside, just taking a walk, walking around the building and everything.
Guys, I have my mask down, but no one is around at all. Like, no one. So I'm drinking my coffee.
You can come behind us.
What was it?
Guys, look at the view. Look at, yeah. You guys can see. That's how it look. Whole building. Yes, sir. Guys, our room is way up there somewhere.
Way up there.
And guys, we were just talking about what if, since our room is way up there, what if somebody should fall from the very, very top, right? How would they land? And will they be alive?
I feel like if
I say I'll probably survive it.
Stop the cap.
But I feel like some broken bones and disabled for the rest of my life.
You're gonna be paralyzed, you're gonna be quadriplegic.
Yeah, but I probably survive it. But how would you land? Like, lay on your feet? I don't know.
Cause some people, like, as they fall, they just falling backwards like this. I would try to like that. Something like that. I don't know, but I wonder, can you turn yourself mid-air? Like, can you actually turn yourself around mid-air?
I don't know, to be honest.
I mean, that falls.
When I'm playing GTA, you can't really turn. The only thing you can do is just spin around, but you can't really lift yourself up. Yeah.
Oh, this to go in the pool.
Oh. But yeah, guys, we was trying to
Oh, it's open, man. You want to walk in there?
Yeah, we can boat. Yeah, guys, we was trying to go. What was it again? Kayaking.
So they have a few activities here where you can do kayaking, you can do paddle boarding. It's electric paddle boarding, and then it's what's the one, standing paddle boarding? Where the one you stand on the board and then you pulling and pushing and stuff like that. Those three we really, well, I mainly wanted to do those three because I've never done them before.
Yeah.
And
so it'll be over here.
Yeah.
Not over there, because I'm not going over there. Cause if you fall,
that's it, baby.
Yeah.
I ain't no telling how to.
I'll stay right here. But guys, as I said before, it's cold. So I don't know if they will let us.
Yeah.
I don't know, probably, I don't know. We're paying for it, so hey, we're gonna see.
I mean, they might let us, but we're gonna get sick. I feel like we'll get sick, especially if we're like swim. I brought swim.
I'm not going on swim clothes, man. I'm sorry.
Ooh, I was so ready, and then this cold weather had to come.
But yeah, guys, we're gonna show y'all what we got right in front of us. It's playing music, so you probably won't hear us talking.
Yeah, we're probably gonna put music over it, so that way we won't get copyrighted for their music.
Yeah. So yeah, enjoy the view, guys. So if you guys ever want to come, you can look how it is.
Ooh,
I just missed that. I just missed that. But yeah, guys, let me show you guys what's going on, man. Oh, they're playing some reggae music. Oh yeah, I'm vibing with it. I guess this is a little kids section right here.
Oh, it's like a little bar here.
I'm trying to catch that thing again, guys. It's gone. Look what happened, guys. Look, 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 look. Ooh.
BB Gang, I can't talk too long because copyright music wise, but I just want to show y'all a little bit more of like the resort and everything. Baby's on the phone with his mom and his brother and sister right now. I just got off the phone with my granny and all of them just to show them a little bit of the scene and stuff. We're definitely thinking about coming back because we want to bring the kids here. I think it'll be fun for them, especially for my nephews and my goddaughter and then Javon, brother and sister. It'll be really nice for them. Like if y'all can see, that's a lazy river. That's the lazy river right there behind us, or behind me. It is so freaking nice. I wish it was warmer, but that's all right. We'll come back. So yeah. I'm drinking my coffee to stay a little warm. Y'all, I kind of touched the water a little bit It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. But it's nice. It's really nice though. Yeah. Whew. Y'all, my nephew really likes this one. I think he's gonna be over here the most.
Yes, sir. Guys, you can see right here, they got a whole bar inside of the pool.
Now, y'all, this is the one I was excited about. The swim up to the bar, because it kind of remind me of, what was it, like the Bahamas or something, where they had like this little pool, this big pool. They had the bar inside of the pool, and you could just swim up to the little bar. But the bar is closed, the pool is cold, and nobody's gonna get in there.
Nope.
I ain't gonna get in there.
Nope.
I low-key kind of wanted to take some pictures, like where these chairs at inside the pool, because I got like these swimsuits and I wanted to take some pictures, but oh well.
Oh, we have to come back, guys. We'll definitely come back.
And I'm definitely gonna wear them swimsuits one of these damn days.
We'll definitely come back, guys. So this is the restaurant right here. This is like one of 5 restaurants I got over here. So you guys literally don't have to leave when you come over here. You don't have to leave. Yes, sir.
This a little food place. Land chart something. Land chart search chat.
Oh, this grass looks nice.
They do look nice. Oh, there's like a little picnic area if you want to sit
Yeah,
there.
it is. It is. You guys see, man, they got sand, like the beach and stuff. Look at the view.
BB Gang, I bet y'all $50 to go jump in that water. Go ahead.
Bet me?
I bet BB Gang. I bet BB Gang.
Oh, but cold.
BB Gang, I bet y'all $50 to go jump in that water right now. Go jump in the water.
That water but cold as shit.
Nah, it's really nice out here. I think it'll be. I think we could really enjoy it if it was warmer. Of course, yeah.
They got actual sand.
Yeah.
Actual sand.
This giving me beach vibes for real.
Actual sand.
Yeah.
It's a fireplace right here. There's a fire right there. And nighttime it's gonna light up. You can sit around it. So guys, we're kind of still walking around. Again, look how big this building is. All that. Over here is the gym stuff and spa and all that stuff. This is like, as they say, this is like if somebody want to get married or something like that.
Yeah. So it's like a kind of like a recreation center or.
And guys, this is what we wanted to do, but they got everything all covered up, so I don't even know if we can even do it. But not this.
No, because that was like.
This one about $200.
Yeah, we ain't doing
for
that.
an hour.
Yeah, 1 hour. I'm not doing that shit.
$200 an hour?
No.
I would have dived in that thing and swim. No, I'm playing. I want too
I
cold.
want to do the kayaking. I want to do the paddleboarding. All that other stuff, but we don't want to rent no boat. We ain't renting no boat. We ain't doing all that.
$200 for an hour, man.
Nice.
Yeah, so if you want to ride the boats, guys, we'd be in this section right here.
Oh, okay. I think this is the one for both. If both of us was to get in there, you know? I think it moves by itself. It didn't say anything. Let's see.
Hey, don't jump in the water because...
Oh, no, I think that one. I think that one. I know you. Let's go. Nope.
Hey, y'all hear that, guys? I'm sorry for my language. We're going to have to beat that out.
That low-key scared. That low-key scared me. I thought I was about to fall in that water.
Hey, that was like the most randomest pop.
It's duck season out here or something. Is it duck season? In Lake Conroe?
I don't know. But that wind.
Ooh.
Guys, we're going to catch you back in the room, man. Hey.